Hello everybody. Things don't really look good for the moment. So when we look at Bitcoin, so as I thought, we have those red boxes with areas of low volume. We touched it over here and then we got a bounce up, and then also here we wicked into the second box. So we did come up, found resistance, did come back to the second box, and then from there we bounced up again. Actually, I've seen that those boxes, they also are included in a fair value gap. So maybe I should focus again on fair value gaps rather than drawing those boxes. So I'll see in the future how it goes. So yeah, currently looking at the anchored VWAPs, we are in a support zone, which doesn't mean that we can't go lower, but so far, as long as we don't go below 72,000, things still look good. What do we have here? Nothing special. So yeah, you can see here are the fair value gaps. So here we have one, and here is the second one. So now we're gonna have to see above whether this holds as resistance or rather as support. Actually, those ones, I should change them to red, because instead of support, those anchored VWAPs, they are resistance. So that's fixed. So algo trading, Ethereum doing very well, short all the way. Bitcoin, also a nice short position here, and then we did go long, currently underwater. Then on the daily time frame, we can see that we got a buy signal for Bitcoin on the 15th of March. This morning we were under the trigger line, but then we bounced up for the moment 1.47%. Ethereum still in a nice short position. I believe this one is already like 50%, if I recall correctly. Yeah, minus 45. Solana, we got the sell signal here on the 10th of March, and for the moment we have a slight loss. XLM, also this one currently in profit, and the trigger line is below the point of entry for the short position. So this one still looks profitable even when we switch long. Did I forget one? No. So for TON, also here we got an exit. Yeah, we got a few buy signals in the week of the 14th of March, but then we got an exit signal on the 26th, and this one ended up one in profit and one trade in a loss. Gala also still doing very well. Let's see for this one. We did go short over here, which is like how much? 67%. TON for the moment is doing quite well. So here we got 3 buy signals. So this one seems to perform better than the other altcoins. And then we have a new one, which is Bitcoin Cash. So for the ones which are following me on the Bybit copy trades, this one is now included. And if you want to see the settings, so this is the ATR trailing stop. So the ATR period is 6 and the multiplier is 0.75. And this one works well with short positions. So currently this one is in a short, but yeah, be careful because this one triggers a lot of buy and sell signals. So this is not something you can easily replicate without having a bot. Then the traditional markets, so gold still doing very well. So also here, where's the indicator? Here we go. So we got the exit signal here right at that top on the 25th of February, but since then it's buying again. So this position is doing very well. Then silver, we were supposed to have a silver squeeze today, so it clearly didn't work out, which also makes sense because we are at the top of this channel, which is resistance, so it's not good to do a silver squeeze at resistance. So also here 2 entry signals, and that's about break even, I would say. Short, small profit. Then Nasdaq, nothing to talk about here. Yeah, also those green lines, they should become red. Although the one here at the bottom, this was here support on the 6th of August of last year, and now it looks like we're founding support again. So maybe we get a bounce from here. Euro USD, long position, crude oil, those are fake signals, so there is no trade there. And then copper is also doing very well. So we have been waiting a long time to get some profits on this one, but here we got buy signals over here mid-January, then mid-February again buy signals, and now last week we also got some buy signals. So this is looking good. So currently we're at resistance, of course, from the previous high. Then the stock market, also there not much news, plenty of exit signals. Amazon, we recently got entry signals, but then yesterday we are out again. Alibaba out, Walt Disney out, Alphabet got also some buy signals, but then it gave again the exit signal, so also no trade over here. MasterCard will close today, so it looks like this one will also be with a loss. McDonald's, this one we're still in this trade, so bought here at the bottom on the 23rd and the 24th of January. Then Meta out, Microsoft yesterday we got out again, we got out as well. This one was a slight loss. Nike, nothing. Nvidia, we got a buy signal over here on the 14th of March, but now we're out again, also with a small loss. Palantir, nothing. Those were fake signals. Tesla, yeah, here we got a buy signal, currently still in the trade. Nasdaq, yeah, we already discussed that one, and the S&P 500, also not much to talk about there. Yeah, that's a small update for now. So yeah, not much trades, not many trades going on. So just Bitcoin long, and then which one was the other one? TON. And yeah, that's it for the moment. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.